Welcome to World Review Zone's and other videos.
The Real Techniques Everyday Essentials set is a one-and-done kit to elevate your makeup routine. This makeup brush kit comes with the brand's fan-favorite makeup tools: 400 blush brush, 300 deluxe crease brush, 402 setting brush, 200 expert face brush, and our best-selling Miracle Complexion Sponge. These 5 makeup must-haves for your face, eyes, and cheeks include brushes with both fluffy and dense bristles, so they work with liquid, cream, and powder products. From foundation to eyeshadow, our makeup brush and sponge kit will help you achieve your best complete, pro-inspired look. Blend and bounce foundation with the makeup blending sponge. Dust on powder with the large, fluffy brush, and smoke out eyeshadow with our crease brush. The Everyday Essentials brush kit is easy to clean using our Real Techniques Brush Plus Sponge Cleansing Gel. It's also 100% cruelty and latex-free and made with soft, ultra-plush synthetic bristles. We are Real Techniques, the brand of choice for all makeup users, no matter your level of expertise. Created in collaboration with leading makeup artists, we aspire to take the mystery out of choosing beauty tools so you can focus more time on putting your best face forward one blend at a time. From full makeup looks to quick beauty hacks, RT brushes plus sponges are exceptionally high quality for professional-looking results every time. But don't be fooled by our affordable prices. RT tools are award-winning plus purposefully designed because that's what you deserve: quality without compromise. If you're looking for high-quality, affordable, and versatile makeup brushes, the Real Techniques 5-piece Everyday Essentials makeup brush set is a must-have in your beauty arsenal. This set includes everything you need for a flawless makeup application, from foundation to eyeshadow. Here's everything you need to know before purchasing. What's in the box? The set includes 4 brushes and 1 makeup sponge, designed for a variety of makeup applications. Foundation brush, perfect for blending liquid or cream foundation seamlessly. Blush brush, ideal for applying blush, bronzer, or powder with a soft, natural finish. Contour brush, great for precise contouring and highlighting. Eyeshadow brush, designed for effortless eyeshadow application and blending. Makeup sponge, a versatile sponge for blending foundation, concealer, and cream products. Key features: cruelty-free and vegan. Real Techniques is committed to ethical beauty, making this set perfect for conscious consumers. Travel-friendly, the compact design makes it easy to carry and store, ideal for on-the-go touch-ups. Durable and soft bristles. Synthetic bristles are ultra-soft, gentle on the skin, and designed to last. Multi-purpose use. Each brush and sponge is versatile enough to handle multiple makeup products. Ergonomic design. Handles are designed for a comfortable grip and precise application. Why choose this set? Affordable luxury. Real Techniques offers professional quality brushes at an affordable price. Perfect for beginners. The set includes all the essential tools for a complete makeup look. Great for gifting. Packaged in a sleek set, it's an excellent gift for makeup lovers. Easy to clean. The synthetic bristles and sponge are easy to wash and maintain. How to use each tool. Foundation brush. Use circular motions to blend foundation for an airbrushed finish. Blush brush. Swirl onto blush or bronzer and apply to the cheeks for a natural glow. Contour brush. Use the angled edge for precise contouring along the cheekbones and jawline. Eyeshadow brush. Apply eyeshadow to the lid and use the tip for detailed blending. Makeup sponge. Dampen before use to blend foundation or concealer for a flawless, dewy finish. The Real Techniques 5-piece Everyday Essentials makeup brush set is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to elevate their makeup game. With its high-quality brushes, versatile sponge, and ethical production, this set offers incredible value for its price. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned makeup enthusiast, this set is a must-have in your collection. Ready to upgrade your makeup routine? Grab your set today and experience the difference. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the best deals.
I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Stay tuned.